not supposed to be sounding like this. This is bad. Okay, Shapo Buffet, we're going to be speaking about a microwave today. Rather quick videos, man. You learn faster and they're much more effective. So before, I was basically just discharging the the diode. I use the screwdriver, but it's rubber. So you take the other side of the transformer, the top side, to the body of the microwave to discharge it. So that's not a good sound. It's made by the magnetron. So don't worry, guys. I'm primarily trained on electricity. I've been doing it since grade 10, then went to University of Technology to do it, then did my modules 0 to 4, module 0 to 7, and sure. So that's what I did. So I'm very familiar with electronics and electricity. This is a very dangerous device, so be careful when working around it. Okay, it's making a lot of noise. The magnetron is very hot and it wasn't running for a long time, and it's making a lot of noise. Sharp. What I think happened with this is this. So this was an inverter microwave, as you can see, and then it was converted into the old one where you have the transformer. The transformer was installed, and then they installed the magnetron as well, and there's nothing wrong with that. Sharp. So what happened was, when it was closed, this cable here was hitting against, you can see it looks a bit burnt out. It was hitting against the shell. So I think it created a short and damaged the magnetron, which is one of the things that can damage the magnetron. But again, if you want to see magnetron is damaged, this is an old one that I had, but it's still working fine. The magnet cracks and then these things become loose. But this one is good. It's just that I'm running my fingers through it. But when you do this, these things will be loose, and that's how you'll know your magnetron is damaged. And then you test with the multimeter on continuity. That you never, my multimeter, what's going on? But if you wanna give up on me now. My magnetron doesn't work. Okay, but on the multimeter, you know, so what you'll do is test one of the leads onto the body, test there's no short, and then it still doesn't want to switch on. And then test on the other one and see if there is a short, then it's damaged. I'll do a full video on it. Maybe the battery is dead. So sharp. Let's speak about the high voltage section very quickly. We have a relay coming from the main board. The relay's duty is to switch on the transformer. When the transformer switches on, it converts the AC, or it rather increases the voltage on the AC to around 21,000 or 1,200, somewhere around there. And then it goes on to here. Remember, the magnetron works on DC. So then there's an AC doubler circuit. This one here, the diode and the diode and the capacitor, which converts it to DC, so that then it runs the magnetron. Then on the diode helps also that there's no too much voltage, so it discharges it onto the body of the microwave. It's DC, remember. So that's why it's so dangerous, because this transformer generates quite a lot of electricity, so it should always be operated while it's closed. Chap, I'm just gonna change the magnetron now onto the other one that I have, and just notice the sound. I'm just gonna pause the video a bit. Okay, here we go. Got the new one, got the cables in. It just slots in. When you push it in and it just sits, then you'll just put on a screw there and a screw there, then it's held in. Okay, sharp, let's test it quickly and see if it still makes the same noise. It's a little bit quiet compared to this one, but now it's, the reason it's making a noise is because it's loose, so if I hold it in, it won't make the noise anymore. So after I screw it in, it won't make a noise, it's just shaking. So now it's perfectly fine. So what I need to do is to insulate that cable there, or see where I can run it so that it doesn't hit against the side of the microwave, or slot a hole through that plastic there so that it can sit in. So the microwave perfectly works fine. So that's usually one of the problems that you could run in with a microwave. But I'll do more videos, more electricity videos. Next week I'm going to be doing